Hey, Uriel here from Arda, and I wanted to go over what we may have sent you in the mail with your cards. So we have a few things. The first and most important piece is your drop point. So these are flat pack. I've left the film, the protective film on, but you should peel that off. But it'll just be easier to show it if it's not transparent. Essentially, looks like this. Might be a little confusing how to do it, so I just wanted to go over that. So the first thing you're going to do is fold in the middle, and there's two joints here. So you fold the one, that side, and then you fold the other side like that. So we're kind of making this flat bottom, you can see right there. And once that's folded like that, we're going to fold the sides, these little wings on the side, toward the front. So we got this going on here. Then we're going to squeeze that up, and these ramp over this part here and hook down. So this hooks into that hole there. So let's do that one more time. So we're basically building this drop point where you can drop the cards. So I'm going to take the wing on the back, fold it up, and push it down, and that hooks. So there's a mounting hole for a screw here, or you can just use command strips, which is normally what I do. And we've sent some in the package, or you can get some in the hardware store. So a couple command strips, attach it. The new Rev also will have zip tie attachment methods. So that's the drop point. The reason this is so important is because we also included some cards for the items that you've already got into Arda. The thing about these cards that's super nice is on the shop floor, all people need to do is pull the card out of the item that's running low, but you don't want them to drop it on the floor or put it on their desk or put it in their pocket. You want them to put it somewhere you can go check. So we like to put these drop points near places that people are pulling supplies from bins. So next to any shelving, in storage areas, etc. We hang these on the wall, you know where they are, and you can go check them at the end of the day. So you just tell everyone, hey, put these in the drop point. That's it. So that's number one, drop points. Set them up early so that your cards have somewhere to live and they don't just get scattered on your desk or on the shop floor. Number two, these flat fold brackets here, really, really handy. We use these all the time. They're hand bendable, so they fold across these lines here, and they turn into like this, almost like a bookend. And what we found them useful for, I'll give a few examples. One would be packing tape. Let's say this comes in a box of 16 or something, or 12, but you only want to keep 4 at a minimum. You can load your shelf from front to back, so you'd have stacks of packing tape, and then you tuck your card in. This isn't a packing tape card, but you tuck your card into this 3D printed clip, which we've also included in your kit. And then people are using the packing tape off the front of the shelf, take that away, and then they hit this. It's super obvious what they need to do, that they need to pull the card. Before having this bracket, we would sometimes do something like this or whatever, but then the card can fall on the floor. It's just not as good. So now we love to ship this bracket and use this bracket all the time on on-site installs. That can be rolls of packing tape, bags of coffee, cleaning products, etc. So that's the bracket, and wanted to show you how the 3D printed card hook slides on. You can slide it on from many angles like this. We've also deployed them this way and tucked them into things like this. You can also move this over here and tuck them into cardboard boxes, etc. There's many, many uses. We find these, we're reaching for these all the time. So that's the bracket, and that's this other 3D printed component here. And then lastly is this 3D print here. This is what we use as a card holder. So we do a lot of these two-bin systems where we put a divider in, and without these clips, the card can easily fall down. They come printed as one, they snap apart, and they clip to these dividers, and then it just keeps the card nice and organized right at the front there where you can grab it. Any questions, feel free to reach out. The biggest thing I do today is place your cards that we sent you in this package as well, and get these hung up where your workers are likely to encounter cards, so that you're not asking for discipline to not put them in their pockets or just put them down on a nearby surface. If they land in these bins, the system will work. If there isn't good infrastructure for cards, we've seen that sort of really erode trust in the system. So get these hung up. Command strips are the fastest way, but you can also use screws or zip ties on the front of shelving units like the one I have behind me here. So hopefully that's helpful, and drop any comments below if you have questions.